Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a BodyBoss. To install the BodyBoss program using the BodyBoss app, start by ensuring your mobile device is charged and has internet connectivity. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are on an Android device. In the search bar, type BodyBoss and press enter. Locate the BodyBoss app in the search results and tap on it. Select the Install or Get button to begin downloading the app. Once the download is complete, open the BodyBoss app. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you are a new user, select Create Account and fill in the required information. After creating your account, check your email for a verification link and follow the instructions provided. Once your account is verified, log into the app using your credentials. Explore the main menu to familiarize yourself with the app's features. Navigate to the Program section to view available workout programs. Select the BodyBoss program you would like to install. Read through the program description to ensure it meets your fitness goals. Tap on Start Program to add it to your account. You may be required to make a payment if the program is not free. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete any purchase or subscription process. Once the purchase is confirmed, you can access your chosen program from the main menu. Select your preferred workout day and follow the workout instructions available in the app. Make sure to check for any updates to the app regularly for a smooth experience. Begin your fitness journey with BodyBoss and track your progress daily. Refer back to the app for guidance and motivational tips throughout your program. Stay committed to your fitness goals and enjoy the journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.